What's good, everybody? Today's video is about a place in upstate New York that me, my cousin, and a couple friends went to. It's an airsoft place. It's called Zulu 24. I think it's in the town of New Windsor, but I'll put the link in the description. It's a pretty dope place, got some good footage, and definitely would come back here again.
Yo, to be honest, I don't even know where I'm going.
Yeah, me neither. I'm good on that running.
You got hit? Yeah. He's behind there. Watch out, hide.
Let's go, bro. Let's fucking go relax. Hit up on that other
Go,
fire.
30 seconds.
Oh. Two.
We're good.
Whew. Think I can make it to that red fire?
Nah, it's kind of a far distance. Where are they?
One in the woods over there. He's shooting.
There's one right there, yeah. There's one right there. I'm backing up. I'm gonna go around, yo. Hey, let me get through here. Nah, I'm not. Look, to be honest with you,
I'm pretty sure I hit a couple of them.
there's two people in here, in the back. Then there's another guy that's all the way between like trees and shit. I don't know how he got
No,
me,
there's a
but
bunch of, you see those 2 buildings in the back?
yeah, yeah.
There's like a couple dudes there. They tried to come
You
around
see?
our left, but I saw them. But there's a bunch, nigga, I'm telling you, if we can get to that red triangle, but once we get to that, we gotta move constantly.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
cannot
it's
stop.
gotta be stop and go.
We gotta fucking light them up. No stopping. Smoke,
Yeah, and it's actually coming towards us.
Alrighty?
Look, this team right there. I think that's blue.
We're gonna have to run shooting at him.
You don't want to push in this way?
They're already expecting us.
Yeah.
They're all by the house.
Look, they're closer. They're right here by this.
No, bro.
Yeah, where are we moving?
By the barrels, the farthest on blue.
I want to try to take that big. I want to try to take that big tree. Oh, watch out! Somebody's right there on that hill. You see the hill? Yo, give me cover. I'm gonna try to get to that big tree right here.
You gotta be careful. You're gonna get bombarded by the right. Oh, I'm hit. Yeah, you see him?
Yeah, I just got hit too in the hand.
You're in that little fucking building, bro.
Nah, let's make a push right now, bro. I don't give a fuck if I get hit.
Somebody fucking...
We're good? Yo, it's clear. It's clear, it's clear? We're good, we're clear? He says that there's one ahead. You seen him? Yo, watch your left side over the hill. There's also somebody looking. Yo, Ditto. Ditto. He got hit right there. I got this lane. I got this lane. I think he's right there. You see him?
Yep.
Is that guy in, you think? He doesn't have a dead rag on. Nope. You want a team shoot? You take the top, I'll take the bottom. You see the other guy? You see the other guy? Yeah, there's another guy in the trees.
Move up, move up, move up. Reloading.
I got your back. You good?
Yeah.
You're hot? Yo, I got the left. Yo, I got 2 people to the left. Right here, right here, right here. Fall back, fall back. We got 2 to the left. I'm blue. What are you talking about? Hey! They're coming? Watch out, there's somebody right here. Oz, watch her.
I got one.
Left?
I killed one.
Okay. Call it. One right here. Hey! Hey, we got one in the back. There's one behind us, one behind us. Yo, there's one right here. Hey!
Did you addict?
Huh? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. They're out there.
There's a group right here over this hill. I'm gonna try to take a look. You hit? One in here, one in here. Is he? He's red?
I'm wiping you guys. Right?
Oh, you fucker! Got me good!
Yo, I wish I got that on film. They all dead?
Yeah.
Clear, we're clear, we're
You threw it back?
The rack is clear.
That thing fucking hurt!
No!
Yo, we got red flanking this way. How am I not hitting this guy? Like this little shack, are they in there?
I don't think so.
Alright, come on, follow me. I got you. They're there?
Where they at? Over there?
They're in here.
A little shack? Oh, yeah.
Follow right behind me, alright? Hit!